Have you ever wondered what the future holds for unmanned aerial vehicle technology? Unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are at the cutting edge of technological advancement, and today we're witnessing an exciting evolution in their capabilities. Two industry giants, Edge, a global leader in advanced technology and defense, and Baykar, a pioneer in UAV and artificial intelligence technology, are joining forces to push the boundaries of what's possible. Their collaboration is focused on integrating Edge's smart weapons onto Baykar's TB2 UAV, a medium-altitude, long-endurance tactical drone. This integration, which is set to be completed before the end of this year, will equip the TB2 with precision-guided munitions, enhancing its operational capabilities. This partnership is a testament to the power of collaboration in advancing technology, and it's setting the stage for the next chapter in UAV development. This collaboration marks a significant step forward in UAV technology, but what does it mean for the future? The partnership between Edge and Baykar is more than just a business deal. It's a story of technological advancement. Born out of a strategic alliance agreement, these two powerhouses in the defense sector are joining forces to create advanced technology solutions that will redefine the landscape. Imagine the precision of Edge's Desert Sting 16, a high-tech, precision-guided munition integrated onto the Baykar TB2 UAV, a leading unmanned aerial vehicle. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but a reality we are on the cusp of witnessing. But it isn't stopping there. The alliance also opens the door for other payload integrations onto various Baykar platforms, paving the way for a new era of tactical possibilities. This is a game-changing collaboration where advanced technology meets aerial prowess, creating a synergy that promises to revolutionize the defense sector. The collaboration between Edge and Baykar is setting the stage for the future of UAV technology. So, why does this collaboration matter, you might ask? Well, the partnership between Edge and Baykar is a masterstroke. It's a handshake between two titans of advanced technology and defense that's set to bring about remarkable benefits. Imagine the potential, the capabilities it brings to both companies, their client base, and the broader defense sector. Let's talk about the Bayraktar TB2. This isn't your run-of-the-mill drone. It's a medium-altitude, long-endurance tactical UAV capable of conducting intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Not to mention armed attack missions with fully autonomous taxiing, takeoff, landing, and cruise. Now imagine adding Edge's smart weapons to this. The possibilities are simply unprecedented. This collaboration is more than just about integrating smart weapons onto UAVs. It's about fostering innovation, pushing boundaries, and creating advanced technology solutions that redefine the defense sector. Through their strategic alliance agreement, Edge and Baykar are not only advancing UAV technology, but also shaping the future of
membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.